Hello YouTube. How's everybody doing today? Today I'm starting my series of what can the John Deere 2025r lift, and first on the list is bam, the Hustler Hybrid Drive. It is a beast of a mower, and probably more of a beast than your typical mower would be. So, yeah, this is not probably any realistic test, but we'll see what happens. So, before I get to the video, I want to just say thanks for everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, and if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button and watching the videos, that would really help me out. I'm hoping to have a good 2022 and do some fun things on this channel. A little bit more content this coming year than I had this past year getting started. So I learned a lot this last year. So hopefully I can produce better videos and more entertaining content for y'all. But again, as I mentioned in my initial video for this test, if you have anything you want to see it lift, let me know and I'll do what I can to make it happen. I've got some stuff around here that I'm going to see, real world examples. Not that you're going to need to lift a lawnmower, but it could happen. But yeah, keep watching to see what happens with that bad boy. Thanks everybody. Well, can't get it. I am. Got some stuff to move with the pallet forks. So I'm going to take the bucket off and do that, and then, oh my. Okay, so that's done. Later in this video, there's going to be a fun thing we're going to do. In the background, I have a lot of machines running: truck, tractor, and lawnmower. This is video one of what can the 2025r lift. It's cold. This will be very short. I don't think it's going to lift it very well, but here we go. The lawnmower. Got the forks on the tractor, so I'm gonna adjust the width of those and just try to pick her up. I don't even think it'll probably, it may pick up like the front off the ground, but I don't even think it would pick up the back off the ground, so we'll see though. And there you have it, folks. The answer everybody's been waiting for. It will not lift it, but it will lift the front of it. You know, if you have to change a tire or something, it'd be good. Would not recommend getting under it with it under there, but it would lift it. So the lawnmower, I think itself is, I think it's close to 1,500 pounds dry, and it's got some fuel in it, and that's really all else it's got on it. But so it's a pretty heavy lawnmower, heavier than most of your typical zero turns would probably be. It's the Hustler Hyperdrive, as you can see in the picture or the video, with the 60-inch deck. It's got the Hyperdrive Hydro system, and it is a beast. I think it goes like 16 mile an hour maybe. Tractor, as you can see, it lifted the front of it up, but when I got all the forks under it, it didn't hardly budge it. Lifted the deck up, but the motor is just too heavy for that little tractor. I think that tractor is rated to lift 800 pounds, like to max height. And if you've watched any of my other videos with the rocks that I was using for the retaining wall, those were on the high end like 1,200-1,300 pounds, and it could barely get them off the ground with the bucket. So the center of gravity was much closer to the whatever, the loader, front of the loader. I can't think of what it's called now. And it had trouble lifting those off the ground enough to move them. So I was not surprised at all, but it was about what I expected. So if you need to pick the front end up for something, you're good. It could obviously pull the lawnmower if it needed to be pulled as well. But you're not gonna pick the whole mower up and transport it with the forks on a 2025R. I would be optimistic about a smaller mower maybe if it were to need to be transported with the forks. Because I think, probably like a regular size lawnmower, or probably closer to anywhere from 600 to 800 pounds maybe. I don't know. I could be off base, but yeah, smaller mower you'd have a lot more chance of being able to pick the whole thing up. Still probably be a chore for the 2025R, just because of how far the mower is out from the tractor, and as you get more weight further out, it doesn't pick up any better. It takes a lot more hydraulic pressure, and the 2025R doesn't have a ton of that. So anyway, there's the first test. Hope y'all like it. Hope y'all enjoy watching these. Video's been kind of slow lately. Went with the holidays, and it's getting real cold here, so it's tough to get outside, want to get outside and do things. But little quick things like this, I'm going to try to keep doing. So the videos will probably be a little different now than they were in the summer, but they'll soon, hopefully a month or two, get back to that. I'm going to build some more retaining walls and do some more dirt work. So be back to the regular scheduled content this spring, and some more additional content that will be more fun with a big F-U-N. So hope you all enjoy it, and we'll catch you later.